Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between dividend portfolio and retirement income portfolio. Number 1. A dividend portfolio is mainly built to generate income from dividend-paying investments, whereas a retirement income portfolio is designed to provide dependable cash flow for retirement living expenses. Number 2. A dividend portfolio usually earns income mostly from stock dividends and fund distributions, whereas a retirement income portfolio may generate income from dividends, interest, withdrawals, annuities, and other sources. Number 3. A dividend portfolio is often centered on dividend stocks, REITs, or dividend ETFs, whereas a retirement income portfolio usually includes a broader mix such as stocks, bonds, cash, annuities, and income funds. Number 4. A dividend portfolio often emphasizes dividend yield and dividend growth, whereas a retirement income portfolio focuses more on total cash flow and income stability. Number 5. A dividend portfolio can suit income-focused investors in the accumulation stage or later stages, whereas a retirement income portfolio is mainly designed for retirees or near-retirees. Number 6. A dividend portfolio may rely less on selling assets if dividends cover the investor's goals, whereas a retirement income portfolio may regularly involve asset sales or principal withdrawals when needed. Number 7. A dividend portfolio focuses on owning quality businesses that can sustain their payouts, whereas a retirement income portfolio places strong attention on preserving capital for long-term spending needs. Number 8. A dividend portfolio can be more equity-heavy and more sensitive to market movements, whereas a retirement income portfolio is usually more conservative and focused on stable income. Number 9. A dividend portfolio may become concentrated in dividend-rich sectors, whereas a retirement income portfolio is typically more diversified across different asset classes. Number 10. A dividend portfolio may keep a smaller cash reserve, whereas a retirement income portfolio often keeps cash or short-term reserves to support regular spending needs. Number 11. In a dividend portfolio, tax treatment often depends on qualified versus ordinary dividends and the account type, whereas in a retirement income portfolio, taxes may involve dividends, bond interest, withdrawals, and retirement account rules. Number 12. A dividend portfolio may use dividend growth to help offset inflation over time, whereas a retirement income portfolio manages inflation risk through broader income planning and asset allocation. Number 13. Income from a dividend portfolio depends largely on company payout decisions, whereas a retirement income portfolio can adjust withdrawals and allocation based on retirement needs. Number 14. A dividend portfolio is usually monitored by tracking payout safety, dividend growth, and company fundamentals, whereas a retirement income portfolio is monitored by looking at withdrawal rate, longevity risk, income gap, and asset allocation. Number 15. A dividend portfolio is best for investors seeking equity income and long-term dividend compounding, whereas a retirement income portfolio is best for investors who need a full retirement cash flow strategy. So, the key takeaway is that a dividend portfolio focuses mainly on income from dividend-paying investments, whereas a retirement income portfolio is a broader strategy built to support retirement cash flow, stability, and long-term spending needs. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.